In this section, we will take a look at how we can organize our application using container and presentation components. And then we will also take a look at the different strategies to share data among different components. So let's first understand container and the presentation components. So what are container and presentation components in Angular? So in Angular, we can combine different types of components together, and then we can separate the components between container components and then the presentation components. So we call container components the smart components and then the presentation components the dumb components. So what we will do is, in the container components, we can fetch our data from the service, and then we can do any computational logic inside of our container component. And then our presentation component will only be responsible for just displaying the data, and thus the dumb component.